Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm just going to be decorating my fireplace for Christmas. So starting off here, I put 5 little tiny nails on my fireplace mantle. I put them there so that when I put my garlands, they don't fall forward. These are the 2 garlands that I'm going to be using. My mom gave me this really pretty poinsettia one a couple years ago, not sure from where. And this green one I got at the Dollar General. So these string lights, they are shiny like metal lights. They're stars and battery operated, and that's what I liked about it, because since I don't have an outlet right here, I can just hide the string back of here, and I could just turn them on or turn them off whenever I want to. So here, how I'm attaching them, I am just putting the little cable and I'm hooking it onto the little nails that I had right there. And so I didn't have to use anything else to attach this on my mantle. Now I'm just going to be using this wreath that I had bought at Michael's about 5 years ago. And so I did put a little nail up top, and I am so happy that this year we have a fireplace. At our previous house we didn't have a fireplace, so this wreath I would always just put it in the front door, but this year I can actually decorate a fireplace for Christmas. And these poinsettias, I got them for Black Friday, and I'm just gonna put them here on the side of the fireplace, and I'm all done, guys. hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys.